little learners. Today, we're going to learn action words with our cute animal friends. Let's go! Jump. A happy bunny jumps high. Jump. Run. A playful puppy runs fast through a field of flowers. Run. Dance. A smiling little girl dances joyfully with music. Dance. Clap. Two cute penguins clapping. Clap. Wave. A cat on the beach waving its paw to a boat. Wave. Sleep. A cozy teddy bear sleeps peacefully. Sleep. Climb. A monkey climbing a tree. Climb. Kick. A smiling boy kicks a soccer ball. Kick. Stomp. A cute baby elephant stomps playfully in a puddle. Stomp. Swing. A joyful girl swings high on a wooden swing. Swing. Hug. A girl hugging a fluffy teddy bear tightly. Hug. Skip. A child skipping with a jump rope on the sidewalk. Skip. Slide. A boy and girl sliding down a big colorful slide together. Slide. Throw. A boy throwing a frisbee to a dog. Throw. Catch. A cat jumps to catch a toy in the air. Catch. Yay! You did it! Superstar! You learned so many fun action words today like jump, run, clap, and dance. Our cute animal friends are so proud of you. Keep practicing your actions every day and stay active and happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time for more fun and learning.